Hello fellow trans lovies, I'm your girl Lady. If you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button and also leave a comment below. It is sad news guys for Andile Gumbi, who has just passed on. Most of us will know Andile Gumbi as Zweli, as he used to play Zweli on Isibay that plays on Mzansi Magic weekdays at 8:30. He has just passed on after he suffered a heart attack and he was in Israel where he was actually acting. So guys, it is sad news. My heart is heavy. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I am out till next time.
Is it alright if I stay today? Is it alright if I stay today? Take my time, far behind, leave my pride. Oh, is it alright if I stay? Is it alright if we just stay today? Is it alright? 'Cause I wish we could just stay. Take our time, far behind, leave our pride. Oh, is it alright if we stay? Is it alright if I decide but change my mind? Is that okay? Is it alright if I don't wanna feel obliged in any way? Is it alright if I waste my time and I lead myself to a mistake?